Hello, everyone. Today we'll be showcasing how the resume screening capability of Talview works. To do that, I'll just search for a particular requisition under or particular assessment under the assessment tab. Um, Once I go ahead and get inside the particular assessment and get into the invites tab where we have all the applications that we have received for a particular role or a particular workflow, I will also be able to see what stage of the entire process these applications or these candidates are part of. On moving or scrolling my screen onto the right, you will also be able to find out two columns. One column talks about the resume, where you can view individual candidates' resume here, and the other column is where the system automatically, based on the resume and the JD match, gives you a resume score. I can use the sorting capability here to sort the candidates based on their resume score, with most relevant resumes on the top or most relevant candidates on the top, and uh, the least relevant at the bottom. Now, applications can be or resumes can be captured in multiple ways. You can have resumes flowing through an ATS onto Talview if Talview is integrated with your applicant tracking systems. If you're using Talview itself for capturing applications, in that case, a candidate themselves can fill up an application form and upload their resume. Or there could be a third option where maybe a recruiter would want to add the candidates manually onto the system and upload their resume here. Now, in this case, I have most of the candidates whose resumes are available here. I'll just maybe use one of the profiles and showcase how you can, as a recruiter, upload the resume here and how the scores gets generated on Talview. So I'll just click on upload resume, choose one of the sample resumes here, and click on open. The system will upload that resume and start generating the resume score here. It takes a few seconds to have the resume scores available. You can already see that the resume has been uploaded and you have an option to view the resume from here. I'll pick and choose one of the candidates where the resume score is already available. So in this case, let's pick the candidate here. Once I get inside the candidate's profile, I can also, apart from just the overall resume score, also look at different parameters on which the candidates have scored on based on their resume, uh, starting off with their academic math score to seeing how relevant the candidate's experience is and how relevant the skills that the candidate possess is. So the entire overall score that you see here is split across these three different parameters. And based on weightages on each of these parameters is where the system goes ahead and identifies or gives an overall score to the candidate. Now, in this case, if you identify that this particular candidate is um, one of the top uh, relevant resumes or the top relevant candidate, and you want to move the candidate ahead with the process, you can simply go ahead and either invite the candidate to a particular assessment or move them ahead with the process. In this case, I can just go ahead and schedule the next round of the candidate and move the candidate ahead with the recruitment process. Uh, I think that's it from a resume screening capability perspective. Thank you.